Hello everyone, grateful to have you with us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2002 Chevy Corvette convertible. The point of our walk arounds is easy, transparency. To show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Corvette, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, or get a free CARFAX report, view the original window sticker, get some financing options, or grab a quote to ship the Corvette anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the exhaust note and the engine running on this Corvette. So let's get to that walk around. Walking around the Corvette convertible. And as you can see, brand new tires, chrome wheels are like new. There's one touched up mark here. There are a couple of very tiny chips here on the nose, using my finger as a point of reference. Once you back up, they vanish. There are two more on this door. One that wasn't touched up and one that was. Other than that, this is a like new condition example of a Corvette from 20 years ago with 16,000 miles. If that's what you're looking for, this is definitely what you should consider. The top has no holes, rips, fraying stitching. This car must have been garage kept its whole life. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, we're looking at the interior. The parts that don't show up in our photos, which in our case is the headliner, which you can see is in like new condition for a 2002. It's in amazing shape. And the top of the dash. If you have any questions about the condition on the interior or exterior of this Vette, give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the top of your screen.